I'm going to talk about a coming pattern. So, gonna skip this hour. There's nothing there except the precipitation in Lake Erie, Northwest. So that's not gonna count that. 8 a.m. nothing. 2 p.m. nothing. 8 p.m. nothing. Markham could get some light rain. Vaughan could get some light rain. Down to Toronto could get some light rain, but it's passing through, which means it just passes through. Like this little bit of rain left in a radar or satellite or model. So Barrie, Ontario could get some light rain. What does it see? Beverly Isles could get some light rain or moderate light rain. Blue Mountain could get some light rain. Belleville could get some light rain. Quebec, Ontario could get some light rain. Ignore that circle. Ignore this circle. So 2 p.m. Scarborough could get some 0.25 to 2.5 millimeters of rain. Orangeville could get some close to 6.25 millimeters of rain. London could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. Midland, not Midland. See which place it is. Wiarton could get some light rain or 0.25 millimeters of rain. Barrie, Ontario could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. This is in 1 hour. So Lindsay, Ontario could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. Next hour if it's possible to get some rain. So clear this. So Newmarket could get some smaller circle, but it's 0.25 millimeters of rain. Hamilton, Ontario could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. Possible to get 2.5 millimeters of rain, and even close to 6.25 millimeters of rain. Everywhere in Niagara Falls could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain next hour. So Newmarket, Ontario could get some, like 6 circles would be here, could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. Everywhere in Toronto, including in North, is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. Hamilton could get some borderline 0.25 millimeters of rain, which means like bands of like rain shaft forming in north of Hamilton. So I'm gonna explain it later, it takes too long. So Peterborough could get some light rain, 0.25 millimeters of rain. So it is gonna say the cities instead of circling. So 2 p.m. South of Niagara Falls. Yeah, Niagara Falls could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. If we near this line, this borderline light rain. So London, Ontario could get some not borderline. So 2.5 millimeters of rain close to. 8 p.m. London, Ontario could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. 8 a.m. nothing. 2 p.m. nothing. 8 a.m. nothing. Let's double check 8 p.m. So total precipitation in 24 hours. So let's look at 12 hours first. Not 24 hours, but let's see how much rain in 8 p.m. So nothing around Toronto. So 5 millimeters rain in Stouffville, 4 millimeters rain in Scarborough, Ontario. Brampton could get some 3 millimeters of rain. Downtown Toronto could get some 4 millimeters of rain. London could get some 4 millimeters of rain. 1 millimeters of rain in Peterborough. Quebec is around 0.2 millimeters of rain or 0.7. Mostly 0.2 or 0.7 between. So Niagara Falls could get some 1.2 millimeters of rain. Actually 0.7 millimeters of rain. Niagara on the Lake could get some 1.2, close to 1.2 millimeters of rain. Actually mostly it's around like 0.7 millimeters of rain. Blue Moon and Viaton could get some 0.7 millimeters of rain. Fort Erie could get some 0.7 millimeters of rain. So next, let's see, 8 p.m. Newmarket could get some 6 millimeters of rain. Oshawa could get some 2 millimeters of rain. 2 millimeters, not 2 millimeters. So 2 millimeters of rain in London, Ontario. Fort Erie could get some 0.7 millimeters of rain. See, 2 millimeters of rain. Done. 8 millimeters of rain, nothing. I think the extra hour. 8 p.m. nothing. Let's see. So total precipitation in the next 120 hours, so close to 5 days. So 8 millimeters of rain is still full. Scarborough could get some 7 millimeters of rain. Brampton could get some 5 millimeters of rain. Downtown Toronto could get some 6 millimeters of rain. Hamilton could get some 0.7 millimeters of rain. Niagara Falls City could get some close to 1.2 millimeters of rain. Niagara on the Lake could get some close to 1.2 millimeters of rain, but mostly it's like 0.7 millimeters of rain. 6 millimeters of rain in London, Ontario. Blue Mountain could get some 1.2 millimeters of rain, close to 2.5. Actually, mostly around like 0.7 millimeters of rain. Peterborough is 4 millimeters of rain. Peterborough. Quebec is 1 millimeters of rain. Newmarket is 7 millimeters of rain. Temperature, not temperature anomaly. So next 3 p.m. what time? So cold is the warmest. So Stouffville could get some 20 degrees, 21 degrees in Scarborough. Mississauga, Brampton 21 degrees in downtown Toronto. Hamilton is 22 degrees, 24 degrees in Niagara on the Lake, 28 degrees in Niagara Falls City. London is 20 degrees, Newmarket is 18 degrees, Peterborough is 20 degrees, 21 degrees in Quebec. Blue Mountain, Ontario could get some 20 degrees. Next hours, warmest. (31 degrees in Stouffville, 30 degrees in Scarborough, 31 degrees in Brampton. Mississauga is 27 degrees, southern. So downtown Toronto is 27 degrees, London is 30 degrees, 26 degrees in Blue Mountain, 30 degrees in Peterborough. Quebec 25 degrees, 30 degrees in Niagara on the Lake, 31 degrees in Niagara Falls City. Hamilton is 28 degrees, Newmarket is 31 degrees. Stouffville is 21 degrees, Scarborough is 22 degrees, 22 degrees in Brampton, 23 degrees in Downtown Toronto. Niagara Falls, Niagara on the Lake could get some 24 degrees, 22 degrees in Niagara Falls City, 19 degrees in London, 20 degrees in Blue Mountain, Peterborough is 20 degrees, Cobourg is 21 degrees, Newmarket is 20 degrees. Next warmest hour. Blue Mountain is 24 degrees, 28 degrees in Peterborough, Cobourg is 25 degrees, 27 degrees in Newmarket, 28 degrees in London, Hamilton is 25 degrees, 27 degrees in Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls is 30 degrees, Midland is 24 degrees. Next coldest hour. So 18 degrees in Blue Mountain, 18 degrees in Scarborough, Stoffel. Scarborough is 20 degrees, 20 degrees in Brampton. Downtown Toronto is 20 degrees, 22 degrees is in Hamilton, 23 degrees in Niagara on the Lake. Niagara Falls is 20 degrees in London. Newmarket is 17 degrees. Peterborough is 18 degrees. Cobourg is 20 degrees. (22 degrees is in Blue Mountain. Newmarket is 24 degrees. 24 degrees in Peterborough. 25 degrees is in Brampton. 23 degrees is in Downtown Toronto. 25 degrees in Stoffel. 24 degrees in Scarborough. Hamilton is 23 degrees, London is 22 degrees, 24 degrees in Niagara on the Lake, 24 degrees in Niagara Falls City, 24 degrees is in Cobourg, 24 degrees in Peterborough. Blue Mountain is 17 degrees, 16 degrees in Peterborough. Cobourg is 18 degrees. Newmarket is 16 degrees. Brampton is 18 degrees. 17 degrees in Stoffel. 18 degrees in Scarborough. Downtown Toronto is 18 degrees. London is 16 degrees. Hamilton is 19 degrees. 20 degrees in Niagara on the Lake. 19 degrees in Niagara Falls City. Next hour. (21 degrees in Blue Mountain, 23 degrees in Newmarket, 23 degrees in Peterborough, 24 degrees in Cobourg, 25 degrees in Brampton. Downtown Toronto is 24 degrees, 24 degrees in Stoffel, 25 degrees is in 24 degrees in Scarborough, 21 degrees in Hamilton. Niagara on the Lake is 24 degrees in Niagara Falls City. London is 23 degrees. Next hour if it's possible.